Let's repair some ultrasonic cleaners. We got two here. Got this large one and the smaller one. The same have the same problem. When you plug it in, it trips the breaker. These are not mine. They come from a company here that they want me to repair them. So let's begin with the small one here. And in another video, I will repair this big one. We open the lid here. You can see what's inside of it. There's no fluid in there. It's a Ultrasonic Pro Clean 0.7 M. So it's like 0.7 liters. Maybe. Got some kind of mechanical timer here. And some temperature control. And some lights here that says if it's turned on and if it's heating. And on the back side here, got some warnings, got this 3-pin plug and some instructions about what not to do with it. So yes, let's open it up and see what the problem is. I don't even bother plugging it in because it will trip the breaker anyway. It got 2 screws on each side, so let's open it up. Maybe there is some transistor in here which is blown. And how these units work, there is a ultrasonic transducer in the bottom of the tank here. And it like vibrates 20 to 40,000 times a second. It's 20 to 40 kilohertz. And when it vibrates like that and you got the fluid in here, it will vibrate the fluid and the fluid will actually knock out the dirt in the material which you want to clean in there. In that way you can get very clean material out of this. Yes, all the screws are out. Let's lift it up. Here's the circuit board, the 2 transistors. It's a pretty simple circuit. There's a transducer, the timer here and the thermostat. You can see here, here's the circuit. Got the mains coming in here, going through a fuse. There's some filter capacitor here. Got the full bridge rectifier. And after that it goes to the circuit here. Here we got some gate drive transformer. There is no active component here besides these 2 transistors. There is no chip or nothing. I think everything is surface mount. Yes, there is nothing underneath the circuit board here. This is maybe connected like a stable multi-vibrator. After the rectifier here, we don't got this big electrolytic capacitor for filtering the mains ripple, so the unfiltered DC mains goes directly to the transistors here. Yes, let's begin by measuring the fuse here. And the fuse is only for protecting the circuit here. It has nothing to do with the heating element. The heating element doesn't got any fuse. The fuse is okay. Yes. No problem there. So this circuit is working. So the problem should be in here. What is that? Look at the burn mark here on this transducer. Oh, look at that. It has melted the wire. It has actually shorted the wire to ground here. We got some more melt marks. We got melted wires everywhere. Got another one here. Oh, this is not good. So yes, this is just a big mess here. We got this one is melted. This white one is melted on this place here. The black one is completely melted through and shorted out to the transducer here. The transducer actually get that hot that it actually can melt the wire. I didn't know that. Because the actual tank shouldn't get more than like 90 degrees Celsius or something. So I need to change the wires here. Putting some thermal resistant wires here. Those you got in the stoves. I'm going to put some of these wires in there. These are thermal resistant wires. They can be quite hot without melting. Now I've put some of these insulating sleeves on the cables here, which is heat resistant, and this one is a heat resistant wire. This was that wire that has been shorting out to the transducer here. So yes, now let's put everything back together and see if it turns on. Yes, now let's test it. Now it's back together and let's put some water in it. Splashing water everywhere. Let's remove that one first. And plug it in. Oh, damn. That scared me a bit. It sounds pretty scary. You should never put your hand in it when it's turned on. It can actually damage the small capillaries in the fingers. So it's pretty dangerous, so don't put your hand in there. So yes, let's clean something. So yes, let's clean this stuff here. We got the two transmitter tubes. The 2C39A. A bit dirty in the flanges here. In the heatsink. Got some small cutlery. And let's put that in the ultrasonic cleaner. It's a bit darkened here. Maybe it can remove that. Or maybe not. We will see. I've already put some detergent in there. So let's turn it on. Let's put it in. And let it be in there for some minutes and you'll have a look at it. Hopefully this unit will not blow up. Yes, now 20 minutes later. It's very noisy. Let's see what we got here. They already look much cleaner. Yes, let's look here. The spoon. See some residue here. But now they look much cleaner. Small one looks brand new. The fork. So look at the tubes here. Still got some junk in there. Oh! It removed the marking from it. I need to rewrite it on it. That wasn't good. And the other one, some of the marking is gone on this one as well. But yes, but it looks much cleaner now. It says it's definitely working. And yes, ultrasonic cleaning, it shouldn't damage glass. There's still some black oxide layer here. But it removed the marking completely. So you can have a look onto tubes. This one was cleaned in the ultrasonic cleaner and this one was a comparison. You can see here we got the marking here, but the marking on this one is completely gone. Now this cleaner is working as new. In next video we will have a look at the big ultrasonic cleaner.